Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So guys, in this short video I'm going to show you how you can get back your old Safari browser on latest iOS 26. Lot of iPhone users reporting that they don't like the new iOS 26 Safari browser interface. So in this video I will show you how you can change it and get back your old Safari interface on your iOS 26. So first of all, you can see a personal screen right now. I open the Safari browser and you can see a personal screen. It's totally changed from the previous Safari browser. So how you can get back your old Safari? Just close that and open iPhone settings app. Okay, in settings app you need to scroll down. Okay, and find your Safari. Tap on apps. Okay, you can see a personal screen right now. Scroll down and find your Safari. As you can see right now, Safari here. Just tap on that. Okay, after tapping that you need to scroll down again and you can see a personal screen. Here are showing two options, bottom and top. Just tap on top and after that open Safari browser again. You can see a personal screen right now, your old Safari browser here in iOS 26. After watching this video, I hope you will all know how you can get back your old Safari browser on iOS 26. Hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, don't forget to share and subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notifications. Thanks for watching.